Cuzzo.
Hey, yo, Cuzzo, bring your ass over here.
Buzzo at.
Come over here, nigga. It's Wild Roachies over here.
That's not
Oh, he
enough.
said damn.
What's the pencil, nigga? It's kids
Look,
outside,
he's
nigga.
staggering, look.
We got some tricks up his sleeves. If you ain't committing no crimes, you can't hang with me.
Damn.
Yeah.
Talk good shit, cool guy.
Yeah. What you said, Keo?
Got a gas nigga. You got a gas nigga.
Hold on. I said, bro got the fear of God on, but he don't fear God. Hold on.
I said, I remember back in the day I used to beef wild. That shit had me touch down in the P now. Nigga,
Yeah, you gotta do this.
with blood niggas, they can't even see now. I was down to 800, I needed that.
I got a sprinkle for you. Come here.
Niggas out here on Pow Wow time. And I was up top on that chow chow line.
What else?
Yeah, nigga, I'm out here strapped up like a dyke. Pulling up, spin your block on a Chinese bike. What I say here? Yeah, what I say?
Me and Tom outside. You know how he do. He got a Yankee fitted on. And it's blue.
I said I go to any state with the Yankee on.
Any city with
Pull
the
up,
Yankee
pull up
fitted
to any block like here. What Yankee on?
Damn, I said, bro.
Yeah, right, yeah. I'm talking that dangerous shit.
I said, bro, you pull up
talking
to
that
any
dangerous
city
shit.
with the Yankee fitted on.
Yeah.
When we pull up, we got bitches
Hold
taking
up.
off their thongs. You know, come on, bro.
I said, yeah, VC got the camera. He shoot a full clip. I just came back from Japan, got the yam chips.
Yam chip. He said he got the yam chips.
Yo, my son Cuzzo.
With the yam chips. Yeah. Whoa. Any hood you can find me. What's the mic? These are Billy Jeans, yeah. Biliani.
I said,
I make these, yeah. Been doing, got the bitch doing tricks. 16, I was on the skateboard. Rockin' SBs, nigga, yeah, nigga, what? What, yeah, niggas is bugging, nigga.
I'm wildin', no shit.
And I don't even rap.
I said, Brody pull up.
I don't
with the
even
yam
rap.
chips.
Me and my nigga Cuzzo.
Cuzzo, what you want, Cuzzo?
Cuzzo, what you want? You ain't doing a yam chip, you better dip. Cuzzo, you still bugging off that dust trip, nigga. Yeah. I said, what I said, yeah. I said, Cuzzo still bugging on that dust
You gotta
trip.
get the 58.
This is what you've been waiting for your whole life.
Battle me.
This is what you've been waiting
You
for
gotta
your whole
get the
life,
58 because
Cuzzo.
show 'em.
Show him what it
This
is.
is Shark Lotto.
Love, Cuzzo.
He said, I smoke Shark Lotto. He smoked Black Lotto. Yeah. Yeah. You ain't got no balls for me. Yeah.
Ted Dick versus Cuzzo. Ladies and gentlemen, let's go.
Let's go, Buzzo.
Word to the yams. Word to the yams chips. Cuzzo, you ain't been straight since 08. Since you hit that dust, nigga. Yeah, nigga.
You gotta get him. You gotta get him.
I'm super hot, you super hot. With that pool gear on. Yeah, nigga. I'll pull a chair on you if you. Yeah, nigga. What, nigga? I don't even rap, nigga. Put me in a Tyler Perry movie, cuz you can't even act, nigga. You get back smack, nigga. Itchy ass nigga, you need a back scratch, nigga. I'm going crazy on him. I'm going crazy on Cuzzo. I'm going crazy on Cuzzo. Let's go. Cuzzo, what you gotta say?
Your elbows look like your back, Cuzzo.
Yeah, you need a back smack.
Damn, this nigga said,
What is that?
my elbow look like a back scratch. But when that 4-5 come with that shot, you niggas already know it's gonna be a hobby. But niggas been sleeping because when I come back, I don't have to ask for bread. Niggas just come to me and put it in my hand. Like that. Shit like that.
What else? What
I
else?
said MOB. Money over bitches.
What else?
But then you can't put MOB without MMG.
Oh.
Talk that history, huh?
Talk that history,
I'll take you to his mask.
Talk that history.
Yes, yeah.
I don't mean to go this far though.
What else?
But shout out to two legends. But then we got Mr. Popular himself.
Yeah,
I said,
what
yo,
else? Talk
Music
that shit.
videos.
What else?
Music artists.
Right?
Come on. Maybe 1 million albums sold.
Oh.
808s. Really?
I said, yo, cousin, fuck out of here. Word to the yam chips. Word to the yam chips. I'll take up the ham quick and bang a full clip. My G's Biliani. Your legs tree bark. You need help. You come to my big pop. Fuck out of here, cuzzo. Yeah, what I say, word to you. This battle is sponsored by Yam Chips. Gotta get him out here. Word to Young Young. Dun 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 dun. Yam Chips. Great snack for you and your family.
Biliani, let's get to it.
Back to the Biliani jeans.
Biliani. What the
Back
fuck
pocket,
you
get him
doing?
back pocket, look, Biliani.
Yeah, good Biliani.
Yeah.
Now get back to the battle.
Back to the battle. Go to the Yams Chips. I'll take a trip to the Yams quick and pull up with a new cuzzo. Clone them. Matter of fact, you ain't getting no pussy. The girls is friend zoning them. Yeah, I see you going viral, but it's not your time, Duke. They calling me Tag Green and they calling cuzzo, yeah, he the fiend. He my little man's dog. I put him on to the packs. He was out here with who? You, smoking all of the cracks. Straight up.